So, I'm in the forest and I've heard a woodpecker. I cannot find it for the life of me. I think it's playing games with me at this point. I'm trying. It's so difficult to find this thing. It's somewhere up there. I cannot find it. Gotta be quiet. So today I'm down at Salmon Leaps River. Never been down here before, and let me tell you, it is some view. Look at that. Awesome. Hoping to see a kingfisher. Seen a little egret, some swans, ducks, and what else have I seen? Can't even remember now. Yeah. Looking forward to today. Saw a woodpecker earlier. Well, I didn't see it, I heard it and just missed it. So a bit unlucky, but we'll get it again. I'm sure we'll get the chance again. So just heading home now. Really good day so far. Today even. Really good day today. Didn't know what to expect going down there, never been down there before. And it was really good. Heard that woodpecker, went looking for it, just couldn't find it. Sure, I could be going back there again. So I've had another look. And then we saw a little egret, a heron by the river. No kingfisher today, unfortunately. And then on the way back then, I don't know what I saw. It was a bird of prey at least. But I'm going to go home now and try and identify it. And we'll let you know when I get back. But yeah, lovely day out. Even if you don't get anything, just being in nature is great. It's just so fulfilling. And the exercise as well. Lovely stuff.